This is mad. This is mad. Wow. You know when you haven't God, you know when you haven't filmed or recorded anything in like 3 weeks, I think, you just don't know how to act. You don't know how to act. Oh my goodness. Okay, do I even know how to record anymore? Like, well, go on, Shan, what's going on, man? Okay, I think I like this setup. A bit too close though. Jesus. Okay, cool. This is gonna be behind the scenes because yeah, I haven't recorded in a while, and I can't even give an excuse. My excuse is just like I haven't had time, and I'm being really honest. I've been really trying to take my time with everything because I'm a mum. I'm a stay-at-home mum. I'm a full-time mum, and I run my own business as well, and I'm doing other things as well. But I'm learning that through this, I can actually do things. I can actually do whatever I put my mind to. It's all up here. It's all up here, you know, and it's how I use my time. And things don't have to be done within hours. It can be done within short spans. That's what's been helping me a lot. So yeah, welcome back. Greetings. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shantice. I haven't made a video in about 2 to 3 weeks, but I'm here. I am back, and I'm really happy that I'm recording this because honestly, this is like, this has taken a long time to even do and try to come around, but I'm at a point in my life where I'm just taking things slow and not rushing and stressing not rushing, I can't speak this morning, not rushing or stressing out about anything. So I am back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shantice. This is my YouTube channel called Zenwithchan. I run my own yoga and wellness business called Zenwithchan. In today's video, I am going to be talking about how to start meditating, especially if you are new to meditating and you don't know what you are doing. So before we start, make sure that you like and subscribe, share this video with anyone who you feel will appreciate it, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I upload you'll be notified as soon as possible. So yeah, let's get comfortable. So I'm just going to talk about my journey through meditating. So I found meditation very hard, as a lot of people do in the beginning. I kind of always used to listen to guided meditations, mainly like, not even guided, but like audios or sounds, mainly like classical music. I remember being in school, and I think finding like a CD at home, I can't remember at the time, but finding that CD, and I used to play it when I used to like study and stuff like that, and I remember it just really used to relax me. Like I honestly just liked to listen to it. So from then I started, you know, going on YouTube, and back then we had LimeWire. Wow, LimeWire. Going on LimeWire and just typing in like classical sounds, and I used to listen to it sometimes doing work and sometimes to go to bed. And I realized as I was listening to the sounds, it used to really relax me. As the years went by, I got more interested into yoga, which then led me into yoga, pranayama, breathwork, etc., which are very important things in yoga. Yoga is not just about asanas, not just about poses, okay? So I actually got into guided meditations, and one of the first guided meditations that I like really could relate to was a meditation mixtape by the amazing Sheila Marie. So if you do not know her, please look her up. She's on Instagram, I think she's on YouTube, but that meditation mixtape honestly saved my life. I was going through such a hard point in my life at the time. I think I was about maybe 17, 18, and I could relate to her so much, especially just being a black woman, especially being a woman who is into her spirituality, especially being a woman who's finding herself, and a woman who, you know, suffered from, you know, mental health issues and illnesses. So I found so much joy in listening to her guided meditations, and they helped. They were so simple. Most of them were about under 10 minutes, but so simple and so relatable, and they really allowed me just to, like, you know, open up my mind. And remember, meditation is all about awareness. It's about really like observing your thoughts. It's not about ignoring any good or negative thoughts. It's just about observing them and seeing how you can change your mindset towards them. So now, going on like how many years down the line, I enjoy meditating so much, and I actually kind of went off of it again when I was pregnant with my son. I don't know what it is, but I just found it hard to meditate for longer periods of times. Maybe it's because I was pregnant, I had a big belly, I couldn't really stay still for a long time. But yeah, I kind of lost touch in it just a little bit. But what I did used to do is just breath work. I used to kind of practice my breathing, which, you know, helped me when I gave birth to him. So yeah, and, you know, after I had my son, after I had my baby, I, you know, began to get back into meditating, began to really just love it. And I think now on my journey of meditation, I'm just finding ways that I can do it, especially as a mum, and ways that feel most comfortable. So I love meditating in all different types of ways, and yeah, there's just so many ways that you can meditate. There's just not one particular thing that you can do, but meditation has honestly saved my life, and it's helped me so much, especially in times where I have felt unsafe, uncomfortable, or just very anxious, you know. So yeah, I give thanks for meditation and my breath, because I've come to understand the power of my mind and also my breathing as well. So yeah, meditation has been, it's been a great tool. It's been a great tool for my health and my mental and physical and emotional health as well. So yeah, so I'm going to give you all 5 ways that you can start to meditate. Really, really nice and simple and easy for beginners. So the first way is to start small. Please do not start meditating for 30 minutes. Do not go on YouTube and find a 30-minute meditation, because you will probably end up just like forgetting about it and turning off your laptop, your tablet, or your TV. So start off really small. Start off with maybe like 1 to 2 minutes. You can also start off with a timer. That is something that I used to do. I still do it a little bit. I just put a timer on my phone. Once the timer's, you know, ended, I know that my meditation has ended as well. So start off small. Do not rush into it. So also challenge yourself. So maybe as you are starting off small, start to challenge yourself. So next time maybe you can do 5-minute meditation, 10-minute meditation, 13 minutes meditation. Just challenge yourself to see how much more you can meditate for. And remember that you can meditate in so many different ways. As you're meditating, listen to music. Meditate with your favorite song. That way you can breathe with the song. You can do something called box breathing. So box breathing is where you inhale for 4 and exhale for 4. You can also change like the speed as well, but it's just where you basically breathe with a song, with a sound, with a vibration, with a hertz. Just maybe something that you enjoy, because then it will be more enjoyable for you as well to meditate. So yeah, meditate with like music, sounds, whatever you enjoy listening to. So the last one is to try different positions whilst meditating. So remember, you can meditate sitting, you know, cross-legged as I am, laying down in your bed, sitting up, walking, dancing, talking, singing. There are so many ways to meditate. So I would say definitely do your research and see what you kind of like, what kind of meditation you like doing. And remember, meditation is what you make it, and you can make it your own. You do not have to be still and be silent, okay? Make it your own. I hope that you enjoyed that video, and yeah, I hope it just brought you some more ideas and how to start your journey of meditating. And remember that it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do what you can and do what makes you comfortable, okay? So thank you so much. If you got to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see all of my you hit the notification bell just to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm sending you loads of blessings, and have a blessed rest of your day. Peace.